Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Google Watch, or the Google Pixel Watch LTE. This is a device which I purchased as part of the pre-order bundle with the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and we'll be doing a series of videos on the Google Pixel Watch LTE over the next few weeks. Now, both myself, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukash, have this device. Let's see how it performs. I've just taken off my TicWatch smartwatch and put it on charge, and from now we will be working with the Pixel Watch. So, just as with the Pixel 7 Pro, really accessible packaging, easy to get into, no need for my jerry-rig everything unboxing knife, and as you can see, very nice simple packaging here. You get the Google Pixel Watch. I've gone for the sort of greeny hazel sage, whatever odd color name Google have chosen, strap, and the watch itself. Now, first impressions are it is relatively small. I'll just take the Pixel Watch off the contents of the cardboard. This is really cool, sort of environmentally friendly packaging. It's all cardboard by the feels of it. And if I take that off, we have the proprietary charger here and an extra long strap. So let's open up the charger and have a look at that. Here we go. Whoops. So this is, as I said, a proprietary charger, and it is USB Type-C. I don't know if you can see that there. There we go. It's USB Type-C to a proprietary puck. So interesting choice of connectivity here. It's not a traditional wireless charger, and we'll be putting it through its paces during our review period. And in the bottom of the box we have a little Google card. And further down in the box, there is a little bit of literature, not as much as we saw on the mini encyclopedia on the Pixel 7 Pro. Usual safety, warranty and regulatory information, and little well depicted instructions on how to change straps and set up your watch. So great to see this simple packaging, not too much stuff in the box, and in this case, the charger. Let's have a look at the watch itself. It is very nice and minimalist. It's a nice rounded puck. It has a little crown for interacting with software on the side, and these proprietary watch straps. And at the bottom here we see the sensors. This is a smartwatch with the capability of doing ECG, monitoring your heart rate and so forth. So very capable little watch on the spec sheet. Let's see how it does in our future videos. And in terms of connectivity, the proprietary straps, here's an example of one. It's very interesting in that it's very different from what we've seen before. And unlike other smartwatches we've covered here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, you can't use a standard 22 or 24 or 40mm strap to use this. Right, so what I'm going to do now is put the device on charge. Once it's charged, we'll do a setup video, which we'll publish tomorrow. But for now, thanks for watching. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. As I said, we'll be doing more videos on the Google Pixel Watch LTE, as well as other devices, any gadgets and accessories we believe makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.